The automotive industry is getting more and more complex. We are facing changes that come from software complexities. The cars are getting more connected to everything around the world.
HELLA is one of the global leading automotive suppliers. We are specialized in developing solutions for lighting and for vehicle electronic. And as a partner for the automotive market, we are developing and producing our solutions in more than 125 locations globally.
The development and the change of the automotive industry for HELLA means, of course, for them to adapt very quickly to the new requirements that are coming to them.
Because of this complex environment, it's very important for companies to have all the information, all the data in place in one single application.
What has changed, though, over the time is that more and more technical information comes together due to more complex disciplines in the development process.
Yeah, we have tools for mechanical design, for lighting development, for simulation. Of course, we have as well project management tools.
So every little technical information you have is always related to something else in the car, in the assembly. The more specific the data is, the more deep down it is in a data silo most often. And these silos are often in a certain discipline. So for example, in a mechanical discipline or in an electrical discipline. Or now we are talking more about software, so it could be, if we look at ALM, we will be more down with the data in the ALM silos. But at the same time, this data, this information has to be connected to the other ones. And if we don't connect it, we will not get this good transparency to work with all the data at the same time.
All these disconnected data silos contain valuable information that cannot be utilized without linking the data which is in them. Therefore, we need a solution that not only is able to process the data, but also is able to understand the data and create links that create this valuable information.
In HELLA, we decided to take the tools which are available, to collaborate, of course, with CONWEAVER, to use the graph technology in order to connect available information. The intention of HELLA to start with the project was all about delivering the right information to the right people at the right time. Summarize what we as HELLA were preferring for the project is graph database to connect existing tools combined with a user-friendly front-end application to support basically the needs of a designer.
When we start a project, we usually do some workshops with the customers. We try to understand their processes. We try to help finding them information that they usually search hours for, maybe even days. We enable them searching this data and finding it within minutes or even seconds. We usually implement our projects in small project teams consisting of 3 to 5 people, where everyone knows exactly what to do. After our initial project phase, we usually start enabling the customer working with Linksphere themselves. Therefore, we offer trainings that makes it possible for every customer that starts working with Linksphere to be in a productive environment within weeks.
Once we have the knowledge graph in place at a customer, we have the chance to create a transparency throughout the business processes, providing the exact information at the point where it is needed.
Of course, we are growing continuously from content's perspective. And here, the graph technology is providing us a good chance immediately to adapt or to extend the knowledge graph and be immediately ready and to roll out, to bring the information to the people.
And now we are looking more at the whole product development process, which we are supporting by providing the right information at every point in the process. So it's very easy to have a transparency for HELLA across the products they develop, across the status of every product they develop, all the way down to production.
If we are connecting databases, we are talking about performance. Nobody needs to transfer Excel lists from A to B once again, manual monitoring, manual reporting. Everything in the future, at least we are planning to do so, it's evolving over time, that we have this possibility by pushing a button to see exactly where we are.